Guys, remember to always clean your surfaces, prep your surfaces. What are we using today?
Windex.
Good old
Windex.
non-sponsored Windex for today's activities. Windex, hey, hit me up.
Time to get paid. Stayed up midnight, counting cheese. Paranoid, overthinking cheese. Same girl like me, the same way they seem. Time to get paid.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some more mods to my friend C7 Stingray that y'all saw in the previous video where we installed the tail lights. Today he got all stage 3 aero and we're all about to do that. He's about to get here. We're going to put it on the lift so it'll be a little bit easier and kind of do a walkthrough for y'all. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so we got the whole bumper off, and like I said, we did have to remove the whole bumper to get the spoiler. Another thing that we had to do was actually take the tail light out, because the nuts for the spoiler are actually right here, which is right in the way, where the tail light was right in the way. So we went in and took the tail light out to get to the nuts for the spoiler. So we're gonna remove all those and put the new one on and put the bumper back on and see how it looks. Alright you guys, so we got the spoiler off, and it was just all those bolts that were underneath. Now you can see the holes for them, and just a little bit of tape that came with it. We just pried it up and we're about to clean it up and put the new one on. So we got the spoiler on, and like y'all saw from the last video, we had to take the bumper off, and we went ahead and did it whenever we did the tail lights. It's sitting flush and everything. It is carbon flash paint, and it looks so nice, and it matches the tail lights and the diffuser and all that. And the wicker bill part is right over here. The clear part with this, and then the little winglets, which he's holding right here, are gonna make this car stand out quite a bit. How sex?
That is sex.
Jeez.
Here's him gonna rub right there. Put down some 2x7.
Alright guys, for the splitter, what you want to do is take out all the bolts that are underneath here. We almost got them all out. They are right there. Is this just held in by bolts? Those bolts?
Do what?
Or is it self-tappers too?
Mine was just serviced.
Yeah.
So we good.
Luckily you don't daily drive it, so you won't have those like miles just during the week. The paint smells phenomenal, by the way.
Okay.
Give it a whiff. I'm really enjoying these installs recently because I'm not doing anything. Just kind of holding a camera.
I don't know.
Can you do an unboxing for me?
Yes, I will do an unwrapping for you.
Unwrapping, since you've already unboxed it. Ooh. There's so many holes.
Carbon flash paint.
You want to get carbon fiber?
Nah,
Everybody asks you that.
I know everybody's like, where do you get carbon fiber?
Wait, is that the right side? Oh, that is. Oh, that's cool. It's got like a bump groove.
Yeah.
Oh, it has
It's not
to.
gonna stick down for what you have.
I mean, it's gonna have wings. It's got side wings.
Side wings.
Wine.
Wang gang. Alright.
You want you to hold in your drill?
We need to put some tape on this thing first. I need to wipe it clean. I got some.
Set it back
cleaning.
down.
You got some cleaning stuff? Okay. I got some glass. I need some glass there.
got that too. That was
So he reads directions with your hand,
turn up.
but not when
I
I'm
don't think
asking
he was
him?
reading that. I just kind of
High tech.
reading it.
Everything's high tech for me.
Oh, we hit
But you're on
300.
music over.
We hit 300 subs, by the way, today.
Heck yeah.
It was kind of sick. We hit 290 yesterday, so 10 subscribers in a day. Kind of wild.
That is wild.
Also hit 10,000 views this last 28 days. Kind of crazy.
You gonna put double stick tape on there too?
Yeah. It's just gonna give it a little extra.
Okay. So we'll need to clean all that up under there.
I think we should just put double-sided sticky tape and no bolts, honestly, but you do you.
No bolts.
Yeah, we'll just do the tape. It's fine.
Yeah. You get about 80 miles an hour and you hear it go click click.
if this thing goes 80 miles with just 3M, that's good. That's pretty good.
I can do it the same day.
Yeah, we can come do it on the weekend or something, like a side job or something.
Yeah. I haven't done a whole lot of sheetrock work really. No.
All right, so splitter is on, held in by all the stock bolts right now. We're about to get under there and get the self tappers on. But yeah, everything is already sitting pretty flush just underneath. And we're about to get the self tapper so we can get that perfect fitment up top.
Back to back, one after another, hit after hit. The new 1017 WTID.
I can't be too well known here.
Alright guys, so what he was doing there is actually drilling the holes for this little side winglet right here. You can kind of see right there is where the bolt is, and it's got a nut on the back, and it adds just like a little bit of basically just, yeah, like a winglet, like the name says, and it just has like a huge like side profile on it. Look at that thing, insane. So it kind of literally just matches flush with the splitter right there. Guys, remember to always clean your surfaces, prep your surfaces. What are we using today?
Windex.
Good old
Non-sponsored, but Windex.
non-sponsored Windex for today's activities. Windex, hey, hit me up. Alright guys, so the drilling is done. You can see all the self-tappers that are in there. Flush fitment and 3M tape, like we talked about earlier. Looks so good. Alright guys, so this is the install complete. Look at it. It looks phenomenal. Splitter, I must say that it's been about like 3 weeks since it's been put in, so obviously the splitter is holding on great. The side skirts are holding on great. The wicker bill, the beautiful wicker bill, is holding on holding on strong. Taillights, everything looks phenomenal. And like I said, we did the wicker bill spoiler and the taillights at the same time, and then we did the rest of it another day because we put it on the lift and stuff. But yeah, everything took a little bit of work, not gonna lie. There was an issue where we kept having with the screw, like right about here. We had to drill out and screw another screw along with the self tapper or something like that. But side skirts are good. They're sitting flush. They look good. Match with the car. He also got new wheels, which I forgot to mention. Vertini wheels, gloss black, to accent with all the other gloss black on the car, and just really ties it in. Like that angle just like definitely makes up for it. And then you can see right here, I don't know if y'all ever seen on Corvettes, but it's color matched to the brake caliper, to the actual paint. And one thing that I did notice, that these Vertini wheels barely clear that brake. I thought that was interesting to see. But yeah, it looks great. It wasn't too hard. Definitely recommend Extreme Online Stores for any products. And it's all fiberglass. It's not really that hard to do. You just measure, uninstall your stock bolts back on, and self tappers, and that's all you have to do. Not too hard. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for the video. All the mods turned out great, look great on the Corvette. Definitely looks a lot different from what it looked like stock, with the wheels, splitter, side skirts, wicker bill, tail lights. Everything just looks amazing. The car looks fantastic. He loves it. Everybody else that sees it loves it. So y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. He's thinking about starting a YouTube channel, so hopefully if he started by the time that this is out, or whenever he does release it, I'm gonna leave a card and then the description below so y'all can go subscribe to him. He's gonna have a lot of content coming on there because this man does a lot of things, so definitely be on the lookout for that. But that's gonna do it for the video. Y'all be sure to stay subscribed, keep those bell notifications on. We'll see you in the next one.